Let's make some avocado toast. This is how I toss it together most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. I'm going to start with some olive oil and just put some on my griddle. For my bread, I'm going to be using some whole wheat bolillos rolls. And this is Mexican bread. And I was so happy to find some whole wheat ones. And that's kind of what turned me on to doing it this way. So I'm just going to slice it in half like that. And I'm going to pick up some of this olive oil. Just rub it around and stick this right there. And I'll probably need a bit more for my eggs. So let's do that. Turn this down a bit. And now I'm going to toss my eggs on. I'm just going to and pray they don't break. That one didn't. I'm doing pretty good. Come on, baby. All right. I'm going to do these sunny side up. I'm using some Himalayan pink salt with some black and white peppercorns. When I'm doing sunny side up eggs, I only do them for avocado toast because that's how I like it. I do cover my eggs. Simple as that. You could use whatever top you want. I cover it for a bit just to make sure it's cooked the way I like it. So I don't like it to be too runny, but just a bit. Once again, I'm using whole wheat bolillos rolls. I'm going to flip them over, let them toast up on the other side. For my avocado toast, I like some baby kale, baby spinach, of course some avocado, some chopped cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of some diced serrano peppers. Adding just a bit of my kale and spinach mixture. You could chop this up or tear it up a bit more if you like. This is baby kale and spinach, so I like it when the stems are hanging off and it just looks nice. You don't need too many hanging off, just a bit. Adding my avocado. Just a bit more salt, pepper on the avocado. So here goes one of my eggs. There's the other one. Now I'm ready for the cherry tomatoes. Let's toss those on. Diced serrano peppers. There's salt and pepper on the plate, and I tossed the rest of the baby kale and spinach on the plate because I just wanted to see what it looked like as far as presentation. It's delicious. So try it out, and I'll see you in my next upload. Look at that baby. Look at that baby.